Like, I've gone all day without any makeup, but I've put on a little bit for this video because the last couple of videos I posted, I literally look kind of dead. I look like I'm ill. Anyway. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Amanda and I go by the HedonistSeller on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I'm a reseller on Poshnmark, eBay, as well as Mercari. So if you like that kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up and that bell notification so you can come back and see more of my videos. Today's video is another ThredUp unboxing, guys. Another shoe unboxing. Yeah, I did it. I ordered another box. I know I said in my last one that I wasn't going to, but I lied. I lied a lot. What I did was I posted one and people were commenting, oh, you should order it. I had already ordered it, the other one, and then that came out and then I ordered another one. You know what? I do what I want on this channel. That's why I was the hedonist seller. I do what I want. I don't have to have any excuses. Anyway, guys, it did come from Swanee, Georgia. Okay, another Georgia box, so let's see. I will say, spoiler alert, first box great, second box great, third box meh. So let's see how this fourth box is. All right, if it's another meh, maybe it's just time to cut my losses with it. For now, anyway. Okay, so I ordered 15 pairs of shoes. It came in like 4 days, by the way. I don't live that far, but still, that was pretty quick shipping. And the box is $80, free shipping, and about 50 pairs of shoes, so do the math. All right, let's go ahead and see what I got. Alrighty, these are cute. What are these? Something, just shoes? Just says shoes. That's literally what it says. It just says shoes. S-H-O-E-S. These are really well made, so I feel like they have to be something. Maybe not? I don't know. Like, the fact that they just say shoes makes me think maybe they're not that great, but they feel like they're really well made. They have to be, because like the side looks good. I mean, like, that's really nice. So there's just like shoes and then a paw print here on the bottom. I have no idea what this is. Like, no idea. And then like there's numbers on the bottom that say 250, 1.5. I have no idea. So possibly this is good, but I really don't know. But they are super cute. Like, I like this like kind of bronzy thing. Oh, that's cute. And with the navy, very cute. How many times can I say cute in one go? All right, not so great. I don't even know where they sell this. Unisa, probably. Oh, hey, look, this says leather though, made in Spain. You know, I see this brand a lot. Is this a good brand? I doubt it. This is size 38, so it's usually like a 7.5, which is my size. Maybe I should look this brand up. This is like a really nice pair of these shoes. You know, I don't know. Maybe I should look this brand up for the future. I've actually never looked it up. That's really bad. Maybe I should have looked it up. Anyway. Okay, then we have A2 by Aerosol. I mean, I've never picked this up. Looks like a comfort kind of shoe. Be good for like, I don't know, teachers, libraries. You know, they're not that attractive pair of shoes, so you know, I'm thinking the first one was good, but I'm like not excited yet. All right, we have some Donald Pliner. Would have been funny if I had Rothy's, because I was still waiting for those Rothy's. Okay, these are actually really cute Donald Pliner. They're like little wedges with this like metallic leather. It's really nice. What is the size? It's a 10. I'm gonna be like, oh, I can keep them. No, it's a 10. Can't keep those, so I'm not mad about that. Alrighty. Oh, okay, so Clark's. I can't hate on Clark's. Oh, these are actually like still have the thing at the bottom, the sticker, so pretty new. These are also a 10. Look kind of similar, but these are the Clark's version. Okay, sorry, I'm not like looking at the camera at all. I'm just like staring. All right, so we do have a pair of Uggs. They're just a pair of Ugg slip-ons, so not your standard boots. Let's see, they are a size 10. I feel like the same person had this whole box, so these are good. I mean, like, everything's been pretty decent. just like nothing. Well, I don't know. I feel like that first one has to be something. I mean, if it's not, I don't know. It just felt really well made. I'm just going to be speculating about that the whole time. Okay. I don't know. Pleaser. You know, okay, so I don't know if she's going to watch this video, but Alicia from Murrayed Life, I feel like this is a stripper shoe. You know, she always talks about how stripper shoes do so well. And I don't know, she might have talked about this brand, Pleaser. But here you go. These are definitely what I would consider stripper shoes. Yeah, she does really well with them. So maybe these will do well. I don't know where the size is, though. I don't know. Does it not have a size? That would suck. But they are in really good condition. Like, it looks like they've never been worn. Oh, they're size 8. I just saw it. There's like a little cracking here on the inside, but like the bottoms, you know, look good. Maybe like they weren't for a stripper. They were just for some fun with your partner. And yeah, they only wore them once. Okay. These are just, what are these? I don't know what these are. Oh no, Aces. I don't know how Aces do, actually. Just a tennis shoe. I don't think they probably do that great. Oh, I feel like I got these exact pair of A New Day in the last box. These are two different A New Day. Are these two different pairs of A New Days coming up? Or is this like, they sent me mismatched shoes? Probably the mismatched shoes, I'm hoping, because I don't want two pairs of A New Day. These are both 8s, but like those are definitely different heels. These are not a pair of shoes. Oh well. So definitely not listing those. All right. Okay, so this brand doesn't do too bad. This is Kushner. They do sell this at like Marshall's because I buy it there. But these are size 11. They are a nice, cute espadrille, so I will list these. Don't know what the comps are for them. I have the bag in my baby's like little wagon. I'm not sure how I feel about this box yet. I mean, like, I'm still speculating about the first pair. Okay, pair of Allegras. Allegras are not bad. I don't see them often. I see Dance Goes more, but this is just like a comfort, like nurse shoe. These are, slip resistant, you know, like that kind of thing, so you can wear them. You know, you can wear them really if you're working at a restaurant. So these are size 42, which is, I guess, a 10, maybe, yeah. So yeah, all right, it's not too bad, not too bad. I don't want to knock over my camera, but okay. Here, made in Spain. So what are you? Made in Spain with no brand. Made in Spain, and it literally has no brand on it, or like I can't see it. Yeah, made in Spain, size 38. No idea what this is. I mean, nope. No kind of identifiers whatsoever. Nope. So, probably won't list these because I don't know what they are. I mean, I know what size they are, but that's it. Maybe I can't see it in this light, but that's another pair I will not be listing. I mean, it's a medium box so far. Okay, there's some boots down at the bottom, so we'll see. J. Adams. I don't really know this brand either, but I don't think it's particularly good. Or so, like, maybe sold Payless or something. I don't know. I don't know where it's sold. I don't also know what size you are, which would mean I'm not listing you because I'm just not doing that. I hate when shoes don't have a size. So, like, what do y'all do when shoes don't have a size? Like, really just measure the inside? Ugh. So much work. I hate it. Something just fell off. Was that the sticker? I'll have to look for it because that'd be helpful if that was the sticker. Okay. All right. We got 2 pairs of boots. Okay. Well, we've got a pair of Fry boots. Hey. All right. Well, you know, depending on that first pair, this box might have just went over into really good. So yeah, these have got a little like, I don't think you can see it, but like marks on them, but I think that'll come off with a baby wipe. And these are size 6. They are the Miranda zip. Okay. All right, and these look like a pair of rain boots. Maybe they're Hunter. I've never found Hunter. Oh, they're not. They're Superga. Okay. Well, I have picked up Superga before, but not like their rain boots. So, not sure how these will do, but I think these are 6.5. Yeah. All right. You know, pretty good box. You know, depending on the first one, I don't know really like how amazing the box, but I think just as good as the last one, if not better. So, yeah, that's exciting. I think that's exciting. I really want to look up that brand. Let me like do it on camera and come back and I can let you guys know. Hold on a second. Okay, so I just spent like 2 minutes really trying to look these up and I couldn't find anything. So I don't know. Does anyone know? So this is the inside. If you can see that, it says shoes in this little circle. And then at the bottom of the sole is this little paw print. Does anyone know what this is? I mean, I just like did a quick look, but I can't find anything, which makes me think, okay, maybe it's not good, but like these are really well made not to be not good. So I don't know. There is a code here on the side, which I did look up and still couldn't find anything. C1255250. Then again, it has the parentheses 1.5 and then A8, 8A. So, and then on the bottom is the number 250 1.5. Are these like custom shoes? Maybe? I don't know, but these are nice. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. If you know, let me know in the comments. I would be really grateful because I couldn't even find anything. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more ThredUp unboxings. And I hope you guys are having a good sales week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.